NetSol Technologies is a global service and enterprise application provider, primarily servicing the asset finance and leasing industry worldwide. We are headquartered in Calabasas, California of the United States, with service and delivery centers in the United Kingdom, Australia, Thailand, Indonesia, China, Pakistan, and the US. We pride ourselves in maintaining the highest quality standard while delivering our service to a diverse client base across the world. This includes blue chip organizations and Fortune 500 companies. We have delivered over 300 successful implementations with a 100% project success rate. NetSol is also the first IT company in this space of finance and leasing to launch a complete enterprise mobile or digital applications.
When we started looking for an infrastructure cloud partner, we looked at various different options, but we zeroed in Microsoft Azure. There were two reasons. One being that NetSol Ascent product is actually based on a Microsoft platform. So we thought that technologically it would streamline our product, which is a Microsoft product, as well as the cloud itself. And the other reason was that Microsoft's global footprint closely matches our global ambitions. We believe that Microsoft and NetSol can bring undeniable value proposition to our customers in the markets that we are looking at right now.
Microsoft is working with NetSol on various technologies, including open source, as part of our day-to-day approach to cloud innovation. We are also constantly working with them on improving their user and developer experience.
NetSol is maintaining its legacy products globally. In the US, Leasepack has been carrying the legacy tag for over 40 years now. The solution set with Leasepack hosted on Azure has an extremely positive effect. The feedback we received from our customer was, we are able to do more with less. There is an end-to-end monitoring from application to the infrastructure. The user experience on the Azure Monitor centralizes the monitoring services together so that we can get visibility across the infrastructure and applications together. This is amazing. In terms of traffic and volume of data sets, around 50 plus VMs have already been hosted on Azure.
The relationship between NetSol and Microsoft stretches many a year back, but Microsoft Azure has invigorated a new life into our partnership. With Azure DevOps solutions, NetSol is able to deliver software faster and more reliably. Apart from technical enablement, a value addition that Microsoft has brought to this partnership is co-sell. Our promise is to help our ISVs sell more, and keeping that promise, we have opened our worldwide partner and channel network to NetSol. We have some innovative projects in the pipe on advanced workloads like machine learning, IoT, and blockchain. These projects will go a long way in ensuring NetSol lives up to the promise of providing innovative IT solutions to its customers.
A healthy and proficient ecosystem of partners is at the heart of Microsoft's vision of enabling digital transformation for our customers. Microsoft Azure being available in more than 50 regions across the globe creates an enormous opportunity for our partners such as NetSol. In NetSol, we see a partner not only for Pakistan, but for around the globe. And we look forward to our onward journey with NetSol.
The NetSol team looks forward to working with a company the size and prestige of Microsoft. We also look forward to the partnership and reaping the benefits of Microsoft Azure.